Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Bolt. Hope you all are doing great. So finally I'm here to tell about the amazing project, but before starting the video I would like to ask you that if you're new in my channel, so kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the further notifications. So let's start the review. First of all, I want to ask you that I'm not their financial advisor, I'm just telling you about their amazing project. Dogmob. You can also buy Dogmob from here, stake Dogmob Arcade, governance, and their white paper. Introduction. Dogmob started as a meme coin capturing the playful and innovative spirit of the cryptocurrency community. However, it has since evolved into a robust digital asset with a significant utility and governance role. Built on a Binance Smart Chain BIP20, Dogmob boasts a fixed supply of 1 billion tokens. This white paper outlines Dogmob's transformation, highlighting its growing ecosystem, governance model, and enhanced utility feature. Importantly, the project will continue to evolve under community guidance, with the ecosystem set to thrive in multiple different areas. Growing ecosystem. You can also check their tokenomics. The Dogmob token serves both as the native currency and the governance token within the ecosystem. With a fixed supply of 1 billion token, Dogmob ensure long-term stability and value retention. Community engagement. Our project thrive on community involvement through active social media presence, regular aims, Ask Me Anything section, and partnership with popular meme creator. We foster a vibrant and participatory community. Robust governance model. Dogmob governance model is designed to be transparent and inclusive. Token-based voting empowers our community member to influence key decisions, ensuring that the project evolves in line with their interests and needs. This democratic approach helps maintain a responsive and sustainable development trajectory. You can also read their whole white paper from here, like their enhanced utility, goals and vision, team members, and furthermore. This is an amazing project. Now back to the website. You can also check their contract address from here. Next we have some information about Dogmob. Prepare for the ultimate meme-driven crypto experience with Dogmob. Set to make waves, this boosting a fixed total supply of 1 billion coins. Dogmob brings stability to the unpredictable altcoin landscape. This meme coin stand out by embracing its meme status, positioning itself as a speculative investment for those looking to ride the meme wave during the alt season. Empowered with newfound utility, Dogmob offer investors more than just a thrill of the meme. It's a community-driven digital asset that not only embodies the spirit of the meme but also serve practical purposes, providing users with benefit and opportunities. Dogmob Arcade. Play for free to submit a wager to ensure a prize pool. The top 3 leaderboard entrants will receive their share of the prize pool drawn every Friday at 7 UTC. Play our first place 2D shooter for your chance to win the weekly prize pool. Play for free or submit a wager to enter the prize pool. Next we have this Stake Dogmob. Start earning additional Dogmob token by staking your holdings. Our user-friendly interface market it simple and secure to stake your Dogmob token and begin earning reward immediately. Click the button below to head to our staking website. Next we have their tokenomics. You can also check their tokenomics like their total supply, their chain, and their symbol. You can also check their contract wolf overview, full security audit, and KYC report. Buy Dogmob, easy way to buy on DEX and CEX. You can also check their partners like their PancakeSwap, Bitmart, Maxi, Gate.io, BitGet. Next we have their chart. You can also check their chart from here and their recent trade from here. Dogmob governance. Dogmob is where innovative meet community governance. We were not just another meme coin. We were a dynamic ecosystem powered by a robust governance system. Our platform features a dedicated discussion board where Dogmob holder can submit their Dogmob improvement proposal and actively participate in shaping the future of our project. With our on-chain voting system, every Dogmob holder has a voice and a vote in deciding the direction of the project. Your input matters and we empower our community to drive meaningful change and innovation. Join us in revolutionizing the meme coin landscape while embracing transparency, inclusivity, and democratic decision making. Together, we are force behind Dogmob's success and evolution. You can also check their partners. Roadmap Q1 and Q2 2024. Launch Dogmob token on Pink Sale. Launch Dogmob token on PancakeSwap. Launch Dogmob on public exchange. Social media campaigns, AMA, and partnership with meme influencers. Launch community-driven initiatives to increase awareness and engagement. Host meme-themed event to create a fun and engaging atmosphere. Q3 2024. Partner with meme-related platform to expand Dogmob's presence. Encourage the creation of memes, GIFs, and other content feature Dogmob. Showcase and reward outstanding community-generated content. Plan social media takeover with popular meme account to reach a broader audience. Create and share Dogmob related memes consistently on official channels. Q4 2024. Conduct regular community giveaways to reward loyal Dogmob supporter. Explore partnership with meme related NFT project. Release limited edition Dogmob theme NFT to promote community engagement. Investigate the development of interactive meme platform or games involving Dogmob. Collaborate with game developers to create meme-based gaming experience. Ongoing focus. Regularly analyze meme trends, engagement metrics, and overall meme culture. Adopt the roadmap based on the evolving meme landscape. Maintain transparent communication with the community through meme-centric update. Address concern promptly and involve the community in meme-related decision-making processes. Establish a meme ambassador program to empower enthusiast community members, providing incentives for meme ambassadors to contribute to Dogmob's meme ecosystem. Next, we have their team. You can also check their team from here. Hi, I am Dogmob. Step into the heart of our vibrant community where passion for all things crypto and the excitement of Dogmob collide. Our community is a dynamic hub of crypto enthusiasts, meme lovers, and adventurous investors who share a common goal to ride the waves of the after season with Dogmob. Join us in the exciting crypto adventure where the love for Dogmob unites us all. Together we celebrate the meme culture, navigate the twist and turn of the altcoin market, and reveal in the potential reward that come with being part of a community that's as vibrant and dynamic as the crypto world itself. You can also see their further more social platforms from here, like their Telegram community, their Discord, their Facebook page, their YouTube channel, and furthermore, you must join their Telegram community for latest update. This is an outstanding project. You can also trade in on Dextool and Bitmart. You can also check their chart from here and further more details from here, like their recent trade, their price, their score, and furthermore. This is an amazing project. I hope you like the video. We will meet in the next video. Bye.